Welcome students in part 4 of crop production and management. In previous part we have discussed about basic agricultural practices. We have discussed preparation of soil, next selection and sowing of seeds, next application of manures and fertilizers. Today we will discuss about irrigation. Students, what do we mean by irrigation? The process of watering crop plants in the field at different intervals is called irrigation. Students, as water is essential for us to survive, similarly it is essential for plants also to survive. A properly irrigated land produces a much higher yield than a non-irrigated land. While in our country, a large number of farmers still depend on rainwater for irrigation, but rain does not provide sufficient amount of water at the right time. Purpose of irrigation. Irrigation helps in the absorption of mineral nutrients from the soil. Water is essential for the elongation of roots. Water protects crops from frost as well as dry and hot air currents. For growth of plants, it provides water to the plants for their various activities like photosynthesis, transpiration, movement of food and water in plant, etc. Seed germinate in most soil only. So these are the purpose of irrigation. Water is supplied to the field by different methods. These methods depend upon the availability of water, the type of crop and the reason to be irrigated. These can be divided into two categories, namely traditional method of irrigation and modern methods of irrigation. Now we will discuss about methods of irrigation. Methods of irrigation. There are two types of method. Traditional method or lift irrigation or modern method. Traditional method, it is of 5 types. Moat, rahat, dekli, chain pump, swinging basket. Modern methods, furrow irrigation, basin irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, drip irrigation. Now we will have a look on few traditional methods like moat, next rahat, next dekli and chain pump. These all are traditional methods. In traditional method, water from the wells, lakes or rivers is lifted up and delivered to the irrigational canals or is pumped into the fields using a variety of methods such as pulley system or moat, rahat, dekli, chain pump, swinging basket, etc. Water is lifted up by using bullocks, pumps operated by diesel, biogas, electricity or solar energy. Hence, traditional method forms lifting irrigation. We can say it lifting irrigation also. Now let us see some modern methods. Furrow irrigation, basin irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, drip irrigation. Students, in furrow irrigation, water runs in the field through canals or furrows made between two rows of crop plants growing on the ridge, like we have mostly seen in field. जैसे डोली बना देते हैं, डोली के ऊपर तो पौधे को उगा देते हैं और उनके बीच में जो नाली सी रह जाती है वहां पर पानी छोड़ देते हैं. दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ फरो इरिगेशन. नेक्स्ट कम्स basin irrigation. In this method, the entire field is filled with water and made over flooded as in case of paddy crops which need a lot of water. जैसे कि आपने देखा है धान में हम क्या करते हैं, पूरे खेत को हम पानी से भर देते हैं. ऐसे ही बेसिन इरिगेशन में क्या करते हैं, complete field is filled with water. It is a type of basin irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation. In sprinkler irrigation, perpendicular pipes are laid in the field at regular intervals. These pipes are joined to the main pipelines at one end and have rotating nozzle. Rotating nozzle यानी घूमती हुई नोजल होती है, वो धीरे धीरे पानी को पूरे खेत में क्या कर देगी, स्प्रिंकल करेगी, पूरे खेत का, इन द सेंस जहां तक उस नोजल, उस पाइप का जहां तक पानी जा सकता है वो उतनी दूर तक पानी स्प्रेड करेगी. वाटर इज पंप्ड इन द मेन पाइप अंडर प्रेशर. इट एस्केप्स थ्रू द रोटेटिंग नोजल एंड स्प्रिंकल्स ओवर द क्रॉप प्लांट्स. Use of sprinklers is recommended for sandy soil and on uneven land where proper distribution of water is not possible. ये उस जगह होगी जहां पे लैंड लेवल में नहीं है, क्योंकि लेवल में नहीं होगा तो जब अगर हम दो फरो इरिगेशन या बेसिन इरिगेशन से करेंगे तो कहीं पानी ज्यादा चला जाएगा, कहीं पानी कम रह जाएगा, जिससे प्लांट को प्रॉपरली वाटर नहीं मिल पाएगा. तो ऐसी जगह पे हम व्हाट वी विल यूज, स्प्रिंकलर irrigation. Then comes drip irrigation. Drip irrigation. This system provides water to the plants drop by drop just at their base. At their base, this pipe will give water to the plant at that base, that is near the roots. The water is not wasted at all and the plants get regular water supply. The drip system is a boon to plants in the regions where availability of water is very poor. जहां पानी बहुत कम है वहां पे ये सिस्टम एक वरदान की तरह काम करता है. It is used to water the gardens and fruit trees. Now, benefits of modern methods of irrigation over traditional methods. Students, we know in traditional method में ह्यूमन का वर्कलोड ज्यादा है, ह्यूमन को ज्यादा काम करना पड़ रहा है, उसमें वाटर लॉस भी हो रहा है, टाइम वेस्ट भी हो रहा है. लेकिन मॉडर्न मेथड में ये तीनों ही चीज नहीं होगी. लेट अस सी. इट प्रिवेंट लॉस ऑफ वाटर बाय इवापोरेशन. लॉस ऑफ वाटर से बचाएगा. इट अवॉइड वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर एंड हेल्प इन वाटर कंजर्वेशन. पानी का वेस्टेज नहीं होने देगा और पानी को बचाएगा भी. It ensures equal distribution of water to different parts of a field, especially having uneven land. Equal distribution होगा. अगर land uneven है, equal नहीं है, तो भी plants के अंदर equal distribution हो रहा है. किसका? पानी का. Now comes water logging. Water logging means पानी का खड़े रहना. एक जगह जब पानी खड़ा रहता है उसको कहते हैं water logging. When too much water is given to the crop, it stands in the field and accumulates around the root, is called water logging. This is called water logging. It damages the crop because of, अब ये नुकसान क्यों पहुंचाएगा? पानी खड़ा रहेगा तो पौधे को तो नुकसान पहुंचेगा. क्यों पहुंचेगा? It reduces air in the soil particles and cuts off oxygen supply to the roots. Let us see again. It reduces air in the soil particles and cuts off oxygen supply to the roots. अगर रूट्स को ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलेगा तो क्या होगा? रूट्स ब्रीथ नहीं कर पाएंगे. रूट्स ब्रीथ नहीं करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? वो खत्म हो जाएंगे. इट विल बी डैमेज्ड. ड्यू टू अनेबल टू ब्रीथ द रूट्स गेट डैमेज्ड. Then it increases the amount of salts in the soil that reduces fertility. ये अमाउंट ऑफ सॉइल को भी क्या कर देगा? रिड्यूस कर देगा. रिड्यूस करेगा तो सॉइल फर्टिलिटी कम हो जाएगी, यानी मिट्टी कम उपजाऊ होगी, फसल अच्छी तरह से नहीं उगेगी. थैंक यू.